over here are wearing sweaters. Huh, they don't look like they're wearing sweaters. You gonna go over there?
Yeah, dude, of course.
Shit. They look like they're wearing... Here, 1 second. Excuse me, ladies, hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Can you answer a question for me real quick?
Question.
Isn't it like chilly today?
Yes, it's very cold.
Shouldn't you be wearing a sweater?
Nope, we're from Minnesota.
Minnesota?
What's in Minnesota?
Cold weather.
What is in Minnesota anyways? Mall of America.
You have a copyright for that?
Oh my god, how old are you girls? Old enough to drink, I hope?
15 and
No, you're not. How old are you really?
14 and 11 and 12.
13 and 7? Drive up. Fuck it. They're not that hot anyways. You're not that hot. They had to been like 21 or 22.
Yeah,
I'm
of
gonna
course,
guess.
dude. Fucking bullshitters. It's because they're from Minnesota, that's why.
But that's the thing, I don't understand. You're wearing a fucking sweater today, dude. You're in Miami, you should
Look,
never
he's
wear...
wearing a jacket.
No, he's not. Okay, watch. We're gonna drive around today. We're gonna meet like a few people, and no one's gonna be wearing a sweater. Maybe they will, but they'll be like people that live here.
I'm taking off my sweater.
Yeah, because you're sweating, dumbass. That's why you're taking it off. Is that a trademark too?
No.
Let me see. Uno, dos. Yes, okay.
Better?
Yeah. Why are you wearing that shirt when everybody knows you're gay? I've tried to hook you up with the hottest vagina in the world, and you're afraid to touch them.
It's so bad.
That's why you're not married anymore, right? Because you realize you're into guys?
No, I'm not.
You watched
into
that
it.
movie, Brokeback Mountain, fell in love, realized, hey, there's other people just like me.
That's like super gay, dude.
What is super gay?
Brokeback Mountain.
How do you know? You watched it?
No, you're the one that told me about it.
I know all about that movie. I've seen it. I had to do a documentary on it. It sucked. It's alright though. Hey, wait, let's check out these people real quick. Let's see if they're wearing... No, I don't think she's wearing a jacket. She's kind of hot.
I guess they don't mind we're staring here.
Hi, how are you?
How you guys doing?
Trying to figure out the meter? You need a quarter?
I think I can figure it out. It's not working.
Oh, that's perfect. You know what that means? It means you don't have to put money in.
You think I'm stupid?
Oh, well, I mean, if you're still trying to figure out how to fix it, yes.
Go away.
Oh my god, I could stand here all day if I want. I was gonna tell you how pretty you are, but now you're so unattractive, it's not even funny. Have a great day trying to fix that meter.
Later.
Bitch. Try to help a bitch out and see what happens.
Fucking
Hi. Kinda chilly today, isn't it? Woo. You're from New York? No? No, you speak español? ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo Preston, ¿y tú? Nice to meet you. You need a ride? I could take you somewhere. We're the... No? Okay. That's exciting. Hi, how are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm Preston. Nice to meet you. I'm filming because you're beautiful. Or because you're a bitch, one or the other. Here, wait, let's talk to this homeless lady. Maybe she'll come up to us. Let me see. You got a lot of shit there, babe. A lot of shit. She's waiting for us to move. God. I hate when I shake my own hand. It's never good news.
She gave the hand to you and everything. It's like, what the fuck?
She gave the hand to me. She got these two. Right here. Oh my god.
Non-stop.
Hello! Happy vacation! Where are you girls from?
London.
Where?
London.
London. Nice. I'm from here.
Can you tell us what the ocean was?
Ocean Drive. Okay, you're on Collins, okay? Ocean, we can actually take you there. It's just right around the corner. Do you need us to take you? No.
We're friendly Miami people.
Right around the corner. If you take a left here, it's like a 10-minute drive, but if you walk, it's going to be forever. Here, drive around. Look at all these fucking cars. Wait. Can you at least shake my hand? Because you're very pretty. How old are you?
25.
You're 25?
Yeah,
You don't look 25. Do you have a lot of hair? Can you take your hat off? No, I want to see you do one of those.
I'm bored.
Go like this. No, come here, please.
Like a commercial.
Okay. How about this? I'll give you each $200 to hang out with us for 30 minutes. That's it. Why? Wait, what do you mean, Why not? Come on, we just want to get you naked and have sex with you. It only takes us 30 minutes. It really does. He's gay, so he won't be touching you today.
Oh, is that right?
But you're going the wrong way to go to Ocean.
So why do we have to go then?
Ocean's that way. Yeah.
Do you run us over when we just walk in front of you?
Here you go.
Nah, that's fine.
Give me a ride.
All right. Good vacation, London. If she would have, you know what? She looked kind of like a guy. But if she would have pulled her hair out, she would have been kind of cute.
Yeah?
Yeah. She looked like she had long blonde hair, you know?
Yeah.
Natural. Damn. Hey, man. Hey, where can I buy a girl for the night?
Why do you want what?
Where can I buy a girl? You know, like buy a girl, like escort style? Beautiful, big, fake titty girls?
I don't know, Baba.
You don't know? I thought it was in the right area. I flew down for this. Everybody tells me Miami Beach.
Yeah, but you have to take some
Viagra?
newspaper, you know?
Oh,
They're
newspapers
where
have
you
it.
can call, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They just have them right in the newspaper.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your help, buddy.
All right. What else do you want? Something else?
Yeah, parking.
Okay. Park right there.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
Okay.
Can I talk to you for a second? Drive up there, drive up there. What's your name? Can I kiss your hand here? You're so pretty.
Thanks.
Wait. What are you doing in town today?
What?
What are you doing? Do you live here?
Yeah.
I'm Preston, by the way. It's nice to meet you. I was wondering, we're filming a commercial. We wanted to know if you wanted to be involved in this.
No.
Why not? Can I ask you why?
No.
Is it because you're beautiful and I want you to have my babies?
Oh.
Is that why? Oh, she is fucking gorgeous, dude. I locked up. Let's talk to this bum. 1 second. Excuse me, sir. Can you come here for a second? I'm having trouble finding girls today. Can you help me out? You can't help me out? That guy was like, I'm out. Oh, honk at her. Oh, excuse me. Hi, how are you? Sexy little hooker. Look how hookerish she's. Only Miami Beach. Only Miami Beach. That's why we got away from the beach for so long.
Miami
all
beaches,
this.
you know? Miami
It's all
beaches.
about what you're wearing. It's just bullshit. We're gonna go back to Fort Lauderdale after today, I think. For lease. I wish that was for sale. That'd be a really nice spot. Nice rides.
We got a nice ride.
What's that?
We have a nice ride, dude.
I hate this van.
It's a little annoying,
Oh shit,
That is
look.
it.
Come up here. Let's see. She looks like she lives here. Oh, hello. Hi. Do you live here? Oh, you don't live here, you're a tourist. Where are you from? Oh, Chi-Town, okay. I like Chicago, very nice. Rush Street, right? You go to Rush Street a lot? You go to Wrigley Field? What's your name? I'm Preston. Nice to meet you.
The camera.
Not much. It's just the camera. Are you pregnant?
No.
Just
They just
is.
make dresses like this nowadays.
Oh, no. It looks like one of those dresses you see pregnant women wear. I'm just kidding.
No.
So, you're on vacation. That's nice. And what are you doing? You're going to Lincoln Road here in a second, I see.
Yeah, just, I don't know, probably gonna go to Bed City or something.
Yeah? What are you doing in town? What kind of vacation is this?
Just enjoying the weather. It's cold in Chicago right now.
Really? That's cool. Do you know anybody here at all?
I have a few friends, yeah.
Yeah? That's cool. Well, you're very pretty.
What's up with the camera? What are you doing?
Oh,
with
this
thing?
camera, we do commercials and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah, for Miami and stuff.
Gotcha.
We have like 4 stations.